It's nice to see you again, Phantom. Is your name Phantom?
You want to see my egg? You want to see my egg?
That's si Julian. That's si Julian. That's si Julian Tood. What's the color of your egg?
Eggs inside the egg.
Bluish. Taylor Swift.
Give two
Two songs. Selos and Wala Kang Jowa. Wala Kang Jowa. With Selos.
Scam na galing nga Taylor Swifties.
1988.
Hi guys, this is Rona, your art girl, and today we are at Casa Gamboa, Silig City, and we're gonna be here for the entire day. If you watch my video that I just uploaded yesterday, that was as well in Casa Gamboa. Sige. Later when we start, let me know para himuan ta kaliwat ha. Ma-vlog lang ko kadali tapos makadala ko to ha. Alright. So we are currently having an Easter arts and crafts.
Oh my God, where did your name come from?
And then students were asking for their name tags.
Ano pa bala?
Sorry about the slight interruption. So as I was saying, we are currently doing an art workshop for the kids. It's in connection with the Easter celebration because today is Sunday, it's Easter, and we're just halfway through the program. We're currently on lunch break. After this one, we're gonna go ahead and paint some eggs and then yeah, do the rest of the games. So as of now, let me show you what we did early this morning around 9 to 10 a.m. when we started the program. So enjoy the video. Apart from the activities, I'm gonna show you what we have as well when it comes to artwork, so please enjoy this, guys. And so yeah, so those are the artworks that are currently displayed in Casa Gamboa. Some of them that got sold, and we're hoping to have more visitors as we go on. So you know, people can buy and check some artworks that we currently have. As of now, let me show you who are here. Hi, Miss Sako ba? Wow. Hello. Hi, Miss Olive. Wala ko gali ano. Nan, sako na din mga artistic row na team preparing for the egg hunting.
You want to see my egg? You want to see my egg?
That's si Julian. That's si Julian. That's si Julian Tood. What's the color of your egg?
Eggs inside the egg.
Uh, bluish.
Bluish egg. How many?
I like pink.
Na, may guro kong pa.
Amo nang pintahan nila or hindi na?
Hindi namin pwede. Ako na ba?
For ano ni, for...
Hunting.
Gantings eh, gantings.
May magamit yung paning plastic.
Dapat ang mga certificates, they're preparing a certificate. Guys, amo na siya si John Lloyd, aka Jericho Rosales sa Bacolod.
Ingat! Ingat!
Mahahakot kayo mo dyan na ano, tubig.
Dapat nagdala pa. Isa kasi dyan. Kaya gintang
Oo no. Ang container no.
yun lang. Oo.
Kaya daga ano tani oh. The kids are so excited for the egg hunting, and before that they're going to paint the eggs. So we are currently fetching water for them. How are you? Wow! Wow, that's so cute! May makanta? Piling ko namin sa imong singog. Are you excited? Alright! Get ready! Set! Go!
Og tasto the max.
Are you tired? No. Okay. So anytime now we'll go hunting. Miss, wala makatag instructions ha? Okay. Please give a big round of applause kay Miss Wen. Good afternoon, everyone. Are you excited for egg hunting? The egg hunting are all hidden here. All around here, okay? Whenever you see a flagpole, may ara na dira egg na naka-hide. Ready? Count 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Egg hunting begin!
Of course, ano galing mo, Anta? Ano ka? Share. Hindi yan maisip. Ano yan? 1 million? 1 million yung nakuha?
Ang 7. Ako na yun.
Eh mo yan?
1. 8. Ay, ano?
Otso. Nagataya lang yan. Otso. Sige, otso. Ay, kala.
May kaila?
Otso. Ay mo yan?
$1 million.
Okay, very good. Hindi na pangatag si Miss Wen. More pagid ng mga eggs.
9.
Wow! Imo yan, Nicolas, how many eggs did you get?
How many?
4. Wow! Ano pa, Miso?
Ay, gabay lang iya. Kanuoy man kay Andres.
Wow! Wow, naman eggs!
There!
Very good.
Ilan?
How many eggs na pa mo? Pay?
5, I'll give you another 2.
Oh, may duwa pa kita ka eggs from Miss Wen.
Say hi. Hi. Hi.
Very good, kids! Very good. Ang iba nag-share sa ilang mga eggs, especially sa mga dutay na kuwagin sharean sila sa mga damo na kuha. Very good. Oh.
Wala siya
Yay! Alright, so this time, 18 you grabe, 18. Alright, so this time we are going to go back dito sa ating workshop area because we are going to finish our egg painting and then we are going to have our snacks. Okay? We also have Lexi,
Hi
Jamila,
guys,
and
currently we are
Diano.
awarding the
We also have
certificates to
Philip,
the
Julia, and
kids.
Roberto.
Before doing the outro, I would like to show you my Swifties group. Hi Manang! Ha mga gwapa. Hello sir friends. Nan. I-vlog in-include ko sa vlog. Guys, mga single pa niya sila. Ay, pala. Alright, I think that's pretty much it, guys. Currently, we're just finishing up the event, and we're gonna stay here for I think a couple of hours, selling our artworks and merch as well. So thank you so much again for watching this video. If you're still here, please do follow my page Ronadiola Art and my channel Ronadiola Art if you're in YouTube. Thank you again for your support, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Happy Easter. Bye.